Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Ferrari of New England and Boch Exotics, we have the 2018 Audi R8. This thing is awesome. Not my first time driving an R8, but first time reviewing one, and man, do I love it. These things are amazing. In all honesty, I would have one of these over a Huracan if I had to spend my own money. Bang & Olufsen sound. Original sticker price of $188. Yeah, this is nice. This one's not the Plus, so this one's the 532 horsepower version, which is cool. This is my first non-Plus I've ever driven. That's pretty cool. I will do manual mode. I will say right here, right now, this is on summer tires. So, and what is it, 40 degrees out? So it's a little cold for weather for this. So it might ride a little rougher than normal. That's on the weather. We don't have a stop sign, come on. While this one is not the Plus, it's still the exact same 5.2. Is it 5.2? Yeah, 5.2 liter V10, just slightly detuned. So when you hear the sound, yeah, that's Huracan. I will say the brakes are cold. Oh, I love these cars. They're so drivable too. Dynamic. And comfort mode. Let's see how the ride is. Oh, that's actually a lot better. Where's the fun in that? I will say flat out, if I'm not speaking, it's a little bit of nerves. I haven't driven a supercar in a little bit of time now. this dual clutch is phenomenal. These ones, carbon ceramics, carbon interior package, carbon exterior pack. I don't think these are carbon ceramic. I could have just looked outside, but I think I'm smart enough to do that? No. I do love the fact that all your, I should say, information, your radio and everything is in the center. So it just looks clean, simple. It's a huge thing for me. Wow. This is awesome. If I didn't have to turn left, I would have been around him 7 times over by now. Oh my God, what a car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.